Welcome back to the channel. This is an intro to our second part of our exotic food. Make sure you guys like and subscribe down below, and make sure you guys like our content for this one. So check it out.
Skittles. And these are from China.
Alright.
Come on, peanut, that in there. Yellow is rat tail. 1, 2, yes. Interesting. I like the purple one. She said, nope. The orange is good. The yellow
one's not bad. I like
the yellow. Try the yellow.
Yeah, that one was pretty good.
What is this? Skittles.
From where? Made in China.
Come on, man. That's you right there.
Alright guys, that was the Grills. That was a Skittle from China. These are my favorite chips. Well, not these, but the extra hot Cheetos are my favorite, but they only had these.
From another
And the regular. These are the lemon hot Cheetos. These are my favorite. I like Cheetos. I'm fat. Cheetos, if you could sponsor me, I appreciate it. Can you read Chinese?
These are from China.
Some Chinese country.
What the hell? Look at the color.
They look like the jalapeno cheddar chips. That's what we.
They don't even look red like here.
Because
That's
they
crazy.
have a lot of food dye. That's why.
That's crazy.
Look at that. It looks like a jalapeno cheddar one. You guys know what I'm talking about, the green bag.
You see the salt and everything on these.
Out there too.
See this?
Cheers, mates. These taste like the jalapeno cheddar. The cheddar ones. The ones that are like this. Cheetos like this, but it's like the jalapeno. Do you know what I'm talking about, babe? The green.
Oh yeah, I know what you're talking about. Yeah. No, not really.
Stop it. Get some help.
Yes, they do. Yes, they do.
Butter in that.
One more.
Butter.
Whoa, the artificial red color.
They're really good. They really do taste like the jalapeno ones. So we are trying fresh cream soda mouth. Mousse?
I am the one, the way you turn the
And it's from Canada.
Oh, Canada.
Bruh.
And I don't know the rest.
Kadook-kaboom. Kadook-kaboom. Kadook. I said kadook-kaboom. Kadook-kaboom.
Cheers.
I like how either one goes up and
It goes down.
Yeah.
I like that. It tastes creamy without actually being creamy.
It's the mousse. I don't know what you Canadians put in this mousse, but this mousse is fire.
It's either mousse or mouse disease.
Jesus Christ.
Alexa, how do you pronounce M-O-U-S-S-E?
I pronounced that moose. Here comes a squeaky balloon fart.
That's how everyone's gonna be later on after all these snacks.
This is made in Canada.
Why is it in a different language? This is what? Crush,
Cream soda.
soda mousse.
Try Thursday night, yeah. That might be
I
fine.
don't like it. I don't approve.
You don't approve?
I don't like it.
The fuck? What? You don't like it, but you drink it up. I approve it.
I agree.
Wow. Bust it. Mixed up with pineapple, dragon fruit.
It's from Taiwan.
How you know?
That's right. From TJ. That's what the guy told us. He said from TJ.
For real?
Mexican stuff. So it's just Latino stuff.
Serious?
Yeah.
What are the fans of TJ?
Like it's from TJ, huh?
From France. Salute.
Smells good. I gotta say that smells good. It's pretty good. I approve.
Bust it.
Listen, I approve this message.
It said exactly.
Smells like straight up 7-Up.
I smell the dragon fruit.
Ooh, I like this one.
That's just bomb.
Let's see. What is this? What is this? What is this? What it is? What it is? What it is? The Coca plane.
These look like these little pandas. Butter.
10% off.
Cracker.
From Japan.
Product of Japan.
It's good, but what is this supposed to be though?
I don't know. But it's pretty good.
I don't know where this is from. I totally forgot. The guy told me, but I totally forgot. Well, strawberry cheesecake Oreos. This side's all broken, so can't that suck. Cheers, mates. Cheers.
Hey, look. Hey, bro. But
Oh my god. Bustin' Oreos.
almond.
Buddy.
Almond. Bring it out. I'll do that. Bust it.
They smell weird. I shall find out where you're from, motherfucker.
Damn, who the fuck destroyed these?
My stomach's already going, what the fuck are you doing to me?
They're from the UK.
Ah.
Oh yeah, they are. Good type.
United Kingdom.
Mm-hmm.
United Kingdom. So far, exotic foods. Bomb.
Harry Potter. Oh, made in Michigan. Oh, and I didn't say it's Frosty the Dope Man
With strawberry watermelon.
Shout out to Frosty the Dope Man. Ooh, this one would have blue drink too. Mm-hmm.
I really like this one. This is really good strawberry watermelon.
We're about to try some Frosty the Snowman.
You don't like it?
You get a little more?
Hey, that's pretty good.
You might taste.
It is okay.
Okay, it's fire.
It is really good.
Fire. What's next? Baby Pikachu right here. See that? Some baby Pikachu. Baby Pikachu. Pokemon. How about this? It only got 3% of whatever it has.
Just open it.
This is lime, sparkling water.
That's not fucking Pikachu. What are you talking about?
What's that?
I didn't know Pikachu looked like a girl unless he turned into a transgender.
How do you even know he's a boy?
That tastes like 7-Up. A shittier version of 7-Up.
Oh yeah, it does. This is Diet 7-Up.
Yeah. Diet 7-Up. That's what it is.
Diet 7-Up.
Yeah. Diet 7-Up.
Cheap ass version.
It's like if somebody's trying to serve a Sprite, but they put too much of the carbonation instead of the flavor. Alright, what's next, Zach? Some Hershey's Hazelnut Crema Ruffle Mini. That's from what?
Korea.
Korea. Product of Korea.
Oh my God.
Chocolatey. Cheers. Chocolate, like a little bit of Nutella with it.
Alright, move it, move it, move it, move it. Hazelnut, creamy, wafers, minis. Wafers, whoppers. Matte black right here. Right here they look brown. Here, cheers. That's good.
Guess I'll keep these.
You know what it tastes like? You ever tried cereal Cocoa Puffs? Bang, right there. Some Cocoa Puffs. Cocoa Puffs. Cocoa Puffs.
So these are like Chips Ahoy. If you guys know. Red one is the chewy one. This one is the double chocolate one, I believe.
The Pittsburgh Doughboys.
We're gonna try both. We'll try a little bit of both. Yeah, there are raisins inside. That's fucking gross.
That's strawberry?
So we'll try the Chips Ahoy,
Dale.
the chewy one first. This is the chewy one first.
Some raspberry right here. Bon appetit.
First one. Remember what the taste like? Remember when you those little snacks, little chewable snacks with like the strawberry thing inside?
Oh, he's talking about the
This is a little bar, yeah.
the little bar that has the strawberry in the middle. I forgot what they're called, but they taste just like that.
Just like that.
yeah. Chocolate.
Not boasting.
They look the Chips Ahoy.
They're okay.
Oh yeah, you can tell this one's more chewier. Chewy. She's like, yeah, this one I want to do.
This one is from Thailand.
Thailand.
Shrimp chili paste. It doesn't smell like nothing.
It smells like almost like a barbecue chip.
Yeah.
Woo! Oh. Awesome.
No, 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 no.
You didn't do that. You didn't do that.
You didn't say shit. You seen this? Hold up. Wait a minute. Damn. It's almost gone. You believe that area? There's a Maruchan. Galay Maruchan. China. Fruits. Every 90 minutes, somebody wins a prize. Skittles, Chewies, no shells. Ready? Good.
Flavors. Orange, lemon, lime, strawberry, and black currant.
Black
Alright guys, orange one first.
lime.
This tastes like lemon. Black currant.
I feel like grape. Strawberry. It's like the inside of the Skittle. Like I say, no shells.
Oh wow, that feels weird.
Oh my
No
god.
shells.
That feels weird. I just said a strawberry. That wasn't for. Oh no,
is weird.
Look, you see the shell off of it.
They,
Black currant tastes like ash.
Lime, pretty good.
Yellow? That's good.
Strawberry was good too. The pink one. I mean, it's not like it's terrible. It's just you wouldn't think of a Skittle being that flavored. I like it better with the shell. The texture, the crunch. Next. Are these like the other ones?
Yeah.
I'm drooling from the Skittles.
Yeah, that's how it's like.
My mouth is so big.
I'm like, I'm looking for you to
Struggle.
Frito Lay.
Frito-Lay.
Frito Lay.
Oh, Frito-Lay.
That taste? Like the jalapeno cheddar.
Yeah, it's exactly like jalapeno cheddar. They're flaming hot. She's like our jalapeno cheddar ones. I still like ours, even though you know all the red dye and shit. I still like ours.
I like that red shit all over my finger.
natural. Some Cheetos from I don't know where. Made with real cheese, they say.
Flaming hot. It says made with real cheese on top.
That's why you can't taste that much of the spicy one.
I like these. I would eat
Good
these. I would eat these. I like the lemon one better because you get a limit on them.
Bussin', next.
Peach Oreos.
That's that peach. What y'all know about that
I
peach?
think I got birthday cake for some reason.
I thought you guys got birthday cake.
What's the difference?
What the hell?
Oh my god, smell that though. Smell that.
That's peach.
Oh yeah, they're both peach. They smell so good. Oh my god, smell taste.
I gotta eat the inside first.
I don't think peach should be on Oreo. Strawberry shortcake is way better than this.
It's weird. You could have done better.
It looks like it shouldn't be an Oreo.
Uh-huh.
If you close your eyes,
Peaches. Well, I just did that top. The Oreo tastes like an Oreo. Now let's see what the fuck the filling's about.
it's weird.
Really weird.
It's sweet with the chocolate. It just kind of throws it off a little.
It's giving me like mint.
Almost, yeah.
Not busting. And that's not shining really. 3 times bigger. UK.
The UK.
Balls have fallen. The balls have fallen. Red. Which is take 5,575. Red. What's your extra big balls in my mouth?
They're not overly sweet. Not a good amount of sweet.
They're just fucking huge.
Alright.
Okay. These taste like regular Skittles.
From here on, these fucking flavors are disgusting. I will never eat orange. I just will do it for the camera. But you will never catch me eating an orange.
I haven't swallowed the other ones.
Oh, I did. I'll swallow that.
Yellow.
Yellow. Baboy. You like sour, huh?
Purple, red, green, yellow. Orange is nasty. Somebody took a bite of your green apple.
There wasn't enough green. They only gave us 3.
Damn. But we're gonna try this green one right here. Big ass Skittles. Say taste the rainbow. You really gonna taste the rainbow with these. John, do you really wanna taste the rainbow?
Already won.
Cause you about to taste the rainbow.
But try all 3 at the same time.
What the hell? You just ate all 3 of them. All 3 of them. The last time, we had some sour ones. We got some orange.
Together, bro, they're better. They're good.
Yeah, but you don't get to taste. How does it taste?
They're so fruity though. They're like an orgasm in your mouth.
Oh my god!
That was very moist. That was really good. Oh my god. What's that purple one? That's fucking gross.